Hey you guys, so today is day 94, and today I want to be able to kind of lay out like the next 8 pages or so. I kind of frame the pages like every 10 episodes, that way I kind of keep the story on track or whatever. Or at least that's how in my head, that's how, the major beats, story beats. And I leave room for like, I leave room for like, random episodes and whatnot. So I'm going to do that for the next few pages, and hopefully I could actually start writing the next page because I'm so glad that I think it was a smart idea having um, having that little in between episode. Well, not episode, but the meme, the Black History meme, and did that instead of the next page because now I'm kind of uh, a page up because I released the next page tomorrow morning. And yeah, so I can like work on the next page and have that ready, or work on the next few pages and have them ready. So definitely it helped with the stress, and allowed me to be able to structure my time better. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that, and I want to like rearrange some stuff in this booklet, like the memes I used before. I think I'm gonna re-edit some of them, and I really want to get a print of this poster slash the front of the booklet, just to see what it'll look like. Hopefully, I'll have some time tomorrow. I got to go buy some stuff anyway, so hopefully, I'll be able to do that tomorrow just to check out what it looks like. And if it checks out, then I'll buy a big poster for it if it's not too expensive. Um, so yeah, I think that's what I'm going to be working on. I don't know if I'm going to have time to get to the quotes and whatnot because I want to draw them, or draw like who was quoted by, or who said the quote right next to the quote. I'll probably pick out the quotes and like type them up. So I'll probably just do all that off camera because that sounds boring. But yeah, just giving you guys a heads up. Um, yep, I think that's everything. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.